Rewards, free money or a trap? Missed part 1? We just uncovered the truth about credit versus debit cards, and how most people use them completely wrong. In this video, we dive deeper into the world of credit cards. How they build, or destroy, your credit score. Why interest charges hit harder than you think. And the real cost of using rewards the wrong way. Let's break it down. Let's talk rewards. Because this is where credit cards absolutely destroy debit cards. Many credit cards offer 1 to 5% cashback, airline miles, hotel points, or even sign-up bonuses worth hundreds of dollars. Use your card for groceries, gas, or subscriptions, and you're getting money back for stuff you'd buy anyway. Debit cards? Maybe you'll get a smile. But you get nothing in return. Here's the key, though, rewards only matter if you pay your balance in full. Because carrying interest wipes out any cashback you earn. Used correctly, credit cards can be a smart, passive way to earn. Used incorrectly, they can become a costly trap. The overspending myth. You've probably heard this one: credit cards make you spend more. And yes, studies show people do tend to spend more when using credit instead of cash or debit. But here's the truth, it's not the card, it's the person. If you struggle with impulse spending, then any payment method is risky. But if you treat your credit card like a debit card, only spending money you already have, then you get all the benefits of credit without the debt. Blaming credit cards for overspending is like blaming a car for speeding tickets. The card doesn't spend. You do. The debt danger is real. Now let's be clear, credit card debt is one of the most expensive forms of debt out there. With interest rates around 20% or higher, carrying a balance can destroy your finances fast. One missed payment? Late fees. Damaged credit. A downward spiral. That's why so many people say, stick with debit, it's safer. And if you've had debt issues before, that might be the smart move. But credit cards aren't evil. They're tools. And like any tool, they can build or break, depending on how you use them. So here's the rule: only use credit for what you can pay off in full each month. And never use it to cover a shortfall in your budget. When debit is the smarter choice. All that said, debit cards do have a place. They're ideal for ATM withdrawals, managing tight budgets, avoiding temptation if you've struggled with credit misuse, or simply keeping things ultra simple. And for some purchases, like rent payments where fees are added for credit use, debit may actually save you money. Also, if you're just starting out and don't qualify for a credit card yet, debit is your stepping stone. But even then, consider getting a secured credit card to start building your credit score safely. Because long-term, credit history matters. In the next section, we'll go even deeper: how to use both cards strategically. Real-life examples of credit versus debit gone wrong, or right. And what banks don't want you to know about interchange fees and profits. Let's keep going.